This is Kristen from Shepherd Elder Law. I'm an attorney in the Hutchinson, Kansas location. We also have offices in the Kansas City metro area, including Overland Park and North KC. And I'm coming on here today just to talk a little bit about one of the biggest myths about a division of asset. So what is a division of assets? Division of assets is the process that a married couple, can divide assets should one of them need long-term care. So you can't do a division of assets ahead of time. There is no, if one of you is not needing long-term care currently, then you can't divide assets. You can't just say, I'm going to put money in my bank account and he'll put money in his bank account and we've divided assets. That's not what we mean. It's much more complex than that. A division of assets was created as a solution, one part of a solution to avoid spouses or one spouse becoming impoverished. So it used to be that spouses would sometimes get divorced because one of the spouses was sick and needed to go to the nursing home, and the other spouse didn't want to spend all of their money and go destitute, and so people would get a divorce. Well, divorce isn't necessarily the best idea. It doesn't promote a great society, and so Congress came up with a solution, and that solution is the division of assets process. Okay. What an elder law attorney can help you do is to avoid a big, massive spend down. And what I mean by spend down is an example. I'll give you two short examples. One, let's say, and these are both based on client scenarios that I have for current or past clients of mine. So let's say that Henry and Wanda, husband and wife, are married. They've been married for 50 years and they have joint assets. Their total assets are approximately $100,000, not including the house. So what I mean by that is their bank accounts, their checking, their savings, their CDs, their maybe a retirement account, maybe not a retirement account, life insurance policies that have cash values, extra vehicles, maybe they've got 2 or 3 vehicles that may or may not run, maybe a trailer, maybe a boat, it's things like that. Whatever it may be, those assets consist of $100,000. And Henry gets sick and Henry has to go into the nursing home. Now, they can do the division of assets, and if they try to do the division assets either on their own or with the assistance of a local care worker or with the assistance of the nursing home, what that's going to look like is that wife Wanda, is going to spend down $50,000 on Henry's long-term care. And then Wanda is going to be left with $50,000 of her own money. Now, if you're Wanda, that doesn't sound like a great solution for you, because you've now got to spend down $50,000 and you are only left with $50,000. Okay, that's where an elder law attorney, that's where Shepherd Elder Law can help. Okay, so that's one scenario. Scenario number 2 is that maybe you are a little bit higher net worth, and let's say that you have $350,000 in assets. Again, comprising of bank accounts, checking accounts, savings accounts, CDs, maybe a retirement account, maybe not a retirement account, boat, timeshare, any of those kinds of things, not including the house. And again, I'm saying not including the house because the house is an exempt resource, but $350,000. If you are Henry and Wanda and you have $350,000, Wanda, again, assuming Henry is the nursing home spouse, Wanda's going to spend down more than half of that because she's got $350,000. And if she listens to most people out there, they're going to say spend down half of it and then apply for Medicaid. And if Wanda has $350,000 and spends down half of it and files a Medicaid application, she's going to be denied because Wanda still hasn't spent down enough. Wanda still has to spend down a whole lot more before she gets eligible or before Henry gets eligible for Medicaid. What's that number? It's approximately $125,000 that she would be left, leaving everything else going to long-term care expenses. It's even more unfortunate if Wanda is extremely young, maybe in her 50s or 60s. I've got a client right now in her 40s. So to leave a spouse with $125,000, especially when you're that young, that's going to put the family in a very hard position. So that's the kind of thing that Shepherd Elder Law can help with. So I have a seminar coming up it's an electronic, a virtual seminar, this Friday, May 29th at 10 a.m. There's a link that you can register online on our Facebook page, or if you want to give us a call at one of our offices, we can get you set up and we'll get you the link to the meeting on Friday, the 29th. Our office phone numbers for Hutchinson, it's 620-662-2905. Again, 620-662-2905. Our Overland Park office number is 913-333-3533. 913-333-3533. Take care.